Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Khabale, third year diploma student of the Zhil Institute Polytechnic Nare Pune. The name of mini project is Design the Optimized Solid Waste Collection Systems for Your Areas. The project is done by 5 members and the project is guided by Professor A.R. Bagade. This is the vision mission of the institute, and the next slide is the vision mission of the department. And the next slide is the content. There are the 5 content. First is the abstract, introduction, methodology, conclusion and reference. First we learn about the abstract. The solid waste collection systems are very important in today's urban environment. The last 3 decades witness in development in urban area over the rural ones in proceed is called urbanization. The growth of urbanization is much more in developing the countries than in developed countries of the extent it is become and the trend characterizing the several development and even the less development countries. In addition to the conventional waste collecting system, this is the system including the smart features and optimized the organism of planning route. Next is the study of presents with it the design process, feasibility and pilot implementation of the smart solid waste collection system which can be operated with a high efficiency at low cost. Next is the introduction. As a civilization progressed, the people began to seek the comfort zones and the convenience of the life in the city. Nowadays, the rate of urbanization in city is one of the indicators of the continuing level of the development. However, the urbanization and the factor of that more people are living together have also brought about the problems in areas such as the traffic, health and security. One of the biggest concerns in cities and one which need the careful consideration in installation and operation of the solid waste collection system. We study how to collect the solid waste and which equipment is used. Next is a methodology. We learn about what is the optimized solid waste. In municipal solid waste, the management system decreasing the collection hauling cost, which consists about 85% of the total disposal expenditure, can be carried out by the route optimization. Thus, the huge amount of economical benefits is getting flourished. We collect the solid waste by the following manner: container vehicles, portals, and we also collect by the human manner. We learn about the container. There are the two type of container. First is the underground container and second is the above ground container. The underground container are the manufactured with the capacities of 3.5 and 5 meter cube. The weight is 750 and 980 kg respectively, and are made from the approximately 80 different standards material and 50 different components. The above ground container are the manufactured with a capacity of 3.54 meter cube. Weight is approximate 45 kg and are made from the 150 different components. Next is the method of the solid waste disposal and management. The first is a open burning, second is a dumping into the sea, third is sanitary landfilling, fourth is the incineration and fifth is the composting. This is the diagram of the solid waste collection process. The first is collect the receptacle, next is the transfer station, next recycling or the treatment process, then disposal of the solid stabilized material. This is a diagram of vehicles who collect the solid waste from home to home. Conclusion. The performance of the solid waste collection system is measured by the indicators such as the operating cost, travel distance of the trucks, quantity of collected waste, number of truck trips, scheduling and routing, the number of waste container held and labor hours. Constraints. The enhanced performance of however includes the inadequate finance, lack of political will, power poor scheduling and routing, the poor road network and developing the planning and elect the technical experts and factory. These challenges are very invent in developing the economics. The next is the references teacher guidance, and we also study of the solid waste generation and collection of the efficiency issues and challenges. Thank you.